The more the merrier. Nick Cannon and Abby and Rosa come together to celebrate their baby boys Zillion and Zillion. Abby took to Instagram to wish her sons a happy birthday and share photos with fans. Twice the fun, twice the love. Cheer to two. We love you, Zillion and Zillion. Dealer Rosa wrote in his caption. Nick also took to Instagram, giving fans a glimpse into the twins' birthday. He wrote, "My little guy turned the big to this week. Thanks to our victory and thanks to our friends and family who came together to help us celebrate Zillion and Zillion." It's very apparent that Nick is a proud papa, as he also posted throwback photos when the twins were babies. One picture showed Zillion and Zillion were wearing matching puffed marshmallow man costumes from Ghostbusters. In another, Cannon cuddles up with the babies. "Love these dudes so much," he said. He also wished the toddlers duo a happy birthday on TikTok, showing them fly kites together at the beach. The birthday celebration included food trucks, popcorn, cotton candy, and inflatable obstacles course, a rescue heroes bounce house, a pony, plenty of balloons, and a pair of dinosaur-themed birthday cakes. No one be booked and busy for Father's Day like Nick Cannon. Nick and Abby also share a daughter together named Beautiful Zeppelin Cannon, in addition to his kid with Abby. His father, twins Morgan and Monroe, with ex-wife Maria Carey, as well as sons Golden, Sagon, and Rise Messiah, and daughters Powerful Queen with Brittany Bell. The Daily Cannon host welcome a son, Legendary Love with Tasty in July, and a daughter on his size with Lanisha Cole in September, and also Lisa Scott welcomed their daughter Hello Mary Cannon in December, 2 years after the tragic head of their 5-month-old son Zen. We wish Nick Cannon a happy Father's Day and a happy birthday to Zillion and Zillion.